tired of people who look like this?
Yes!
Or like this? Like this? Or even like this?
If you're one of these people and you can relate, look no further. Introducing Mask Off, a smart mask detecting system that keeps the anti-maskers away. Our device uses computer vision to detect a mask on someone's face and consequently unlocks or locks the door to your establishment. It works on everyone, from your neighborhood Karens to your neighborhood dogs.
It's amazing! Why didn't I have this before?
So Mask Off implements a face mask detection model that prevents non-maskers from entering a unit. And all a user has to do is press a button, which sends a signal to a Raspberry Pi that unlocks a door based on whether the user is wearing a mask or not. And in terms of software, I worked with Elaine and Shivani. We initially implemented an open source neural network model using Keras and TensorFlow, which we integrated and improved with the Raspberry Pi in order to have a button set off a signal. And then our biggest challenge was definitely improving the latency of the code, and is definitely something that we can work on to fix in the future.
For now, we use threading to improve the performance of the RPi camera. We have a different thread for taking in the video and showing the video, rather than executing the video code and using the model sequentially. After processing the video and running it through the model, we decipher whether or not a mask is detected. With this detection, we send the data from the RPi to the Arduino using a TCP socket communication. And depending on whether or not the mask is detected or not, we change the lock.
Everything's better with threading.
We receive the data using a Wi-Fi enabled Arduino. From there, we change the lock accordingly. We use a state machine that takes into account whether or not the door is closed, locked, and a mask is detected. We use a magnetic reed switch to determine whether the door is closed or not, to lock and unlock the door. We have a servo with a 3D printed adapter that fits very nicely with the lock, and then from there we can either open or close the lock.
When the Arduino receives a message saying the mask was detected, we'll check the reed switch and make sure the door is closed. Then we'll use the servo and unlock the door. After the door is closed again, we'll lock it back up.